my name is Laurel Kaeferlein and I'm an early childhood special education teacher. Today's intervention is to encourage your child to increase his or her language, to share an activity with you, shared enjoyment, to have joint attention, to look down at the puzzle and up at you, to increase their fine motor skills, to make requests, to make choices, all of these things to engage in adult-directed activity. So that's what we're going to use puzzles for. I happen to love these particular kind of puzzles. They're referred to typically as chunky puzzles if you're using a Google search word or if you're on Amazon or something like that. Chunky wooden puzzles. They are non-interlocking. Interlocking puzzles are more challenging for our children, and these chunky ones are suitable for a child who is a toddler or a preschooler. Oh, I like this one. This is a Melissa and Doug one. Melissa and Doug Pets is what this one is called. And it has nice animals that you can make some animal sounds with, which is one of the things that we want your child to be able to do to attend to his or her environment and to be able to imitate some of these sounds. All of these things are part of our language and part of how we communicate. So, when you're playing with a puzzle with intentional directions, when you want your child to sit across from you, so you're not, boy, that's noisy. You're not going to set this puzzle in front of him and give him all the puzzle pieces, because then he's not going to need you for anything, or she's not going to need you for anything. What I want you to do is to take all of the puzzle pieces and put it on your lap. All right? Child can't get to them. They are yours. Oh, mine. Wait. Simple directions, not too many words. And then you want your child to be sitting across from you so that they can see your face. Put the puzzle down and pick up two items. Do you want puppy or kitty? Now you're going to wait. If your child reaches for both of them, then you're going to pull back a little bit, keep a good grasp on it. Puppy or kitty, or you might go dog or cat, depending upon how you use those words in your house. Dog or cat. And if your child, whichever one your child reaches out for first, let's say she reaches out for the dog. You go, oh, you want dog. She might be reaching out for this one too at the same time, or he might be doing that. You're just going to kind of tuck that away and encourage your child to take the one item at a time. And you stick that away and then put on. Short directive. Put on. And if your child gets frustrated, what you can do is visually block out the choices. So there are really only two places where he can put it. And if that's too hard, one place where he can put it. Put on. Yay! Now, you can go up and pick two more. Do you want kitty or bunny? Kitty or bunny? Oh, the sun is shining on that. Or bunny. You want bunny. So again, the same thing. Now, some of our children, what they'll do is they'll go back and take this one out and start messing with it and playing with it. If you have a child who undoes the work that he's already done, you put your hand on it. Oh, right here. You have to be an octopus to get this done. But this is actually an intervention designed to help your child to communicate, to make choices, and to follow an adult directive. So, oh, that stays there. Now, you might not have enough hands to do this. If that's the case, because they're grabbing, we're not going to be making choices anymore. Turtle. Put on. Right? Put on. You have to make a decision. If your child has the ability to make a choice and to not disassemble the work that they've done, then you go back to choices. If they're messing with this and putting this and doing all that or walking away with it, oh, wait, one more than all done, because you want your child to finish the puzzle. So let's say we're down, we have 3 pieces left and your child is starting to walk away. All right? Oh, one more, then all done. Then, do you want horse or dog? You want horse. All done. So you're finishing on your terms, not his or her terms. And then the next time you might say 2 more than all done so that we can finish. Oh, but if you have said 1 more and all done, you give the child 1 more, then you let them be done. If they've suddenly changed their mind and they're starting to be compliant, and they're reaching for more, you want more? More? Yes. You want more. So you're teaching them the yes, no as well. You want more. Puppy. Put on. Yay! Congratulate your child for following the adult directive of putting on, of taking an item, and being all done. So, this is a fabulous thing. This works for puzzles of all kinds, and it's really an effective tool for your child who is very self-directed. So, I highly encourage this.